Welcome. In this video, I'll show you two methods on how to turn off SafeSearch on Android. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, method one is by using the Google app, if you have it. Alright, so I have here my Google app. Here we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and tap on it. If you have it, open it up as well. Now, once you're in here, just tap on your profile at the top right. And then just go ahead and scroll down and find SafeSearch. Tap on it and just make sure that you turn it off. All right. Then once that's done, you're good to go. Now, what if you don't have the Google app? You could also use Google Chrome. All right. Google Chrome right here. You would need to go ahead over to google.com. All right. Again, google.com. Now, once you're in here, wait for it to fully pop out. Now scroll all the way down and you should have the settings option right here. So just tap on settings and then go ahead and tap on search settings. Now in here, you'll be able to see SafeSearch. Just tap on it and then again, just turn it off. That's how simple it is to turn off SafeSearch on an Android phone. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.